Miss Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo. Hello! Hi, gorgeous. Please have a seat. Hi, welcome. Okay, before we hear from Judy Ann and the Kyowa team, let's first...
Yes, good afternoon. I'm Romel Gonzalez from Pep.ph and Tabloids. And congratulations, Ms. Judy Ann, for your Kyowa endorsement. And my first question is, I don't know kung naitanong na ito sa'yo. Meron ka bang unforgettable moment pwede nakakatakot, nakakatuwa, or nakakagulat na experience habang nagluluto? Pwede mo bang ma-share?
Marami. Kasi when you're in the kitchen, a lot of things can happen. Nakakatakot yung hindi ko na masunog yung kilay ko.
Kilay is life. We know this.
Yes. So, ang kilay, hindi tumutubo agad. So that's one. Nakakatawa is, so when you wake up in the morning, di ba? And you're all still busy from puyat and all, akala ko, ang niluluto ko, baon ng anak ko. Yun pala, walang laman yung kaldero ko. So there are moments na, ganun lang, ikot ako ng ikot, halo ako na, wala pa na akong niluluto. So puyat pa ako from work. So that's one. Third, siguro, may mga maraming factor na mapapasok ka sa oven. So I have mga oven scars dito sa siko, na forever na siya dyan. And hindi ko siya pinapagalaw kasi it reminds me of my mishaps in the kitchen. And pag nakikita ko siya, naalala ko na kailangan kong mag-iingat when it comes to my oven. And you also have to have appliances in the kitchen that you can actually trust or alam mo maaasahan. So, yan yung mga bagay na talaga may isip ko na, okay, if I want my children to learn something in the kitchen, I also need to learn some things for myself. And ito kinikwento ko sa kanila para hindi nila magawa, hindi nila ulitin, hindi mangyari sa kanila. And I allow them to make mistakes in my kitchen. Thank you.
And I remember, meron kang sa Judy Ann's kitchen na meron ka isang soup na nabitiwan mo buong bowl.
Yeah.
Pero, oo, gyudon, tama. Yun,
Yes,
nakakatawa
beef
din.
gyudon.
And then
Nahulog ko yung bowl.
For my next question, since you're endorsing Kyowa, curious lang kami, ano yung pinaka-paborito mong kitchen appliance na tingin mo hindi mo kayang mawala yung appliance na yun? Bakit?
Rice cooker. Rice cooker is life. Because rice is life. So I would bring rice cooker, Kyowa rice cooker, in my kids' games, especially kapag abroad kami, or out of town. Lalo si lunch kasi kanin talaga yan eh. And when you're in a hotel, shucks, baka ma-flag ako sa mga hotel. Nagluluto ka pa na sa banyo, ha? Kasi yun yung mga bagay na, of course, hindi ko isa-sacrifice yung nutrition ng anak ko, ng mga anak ko, especially may mga games sila. I want them to be full before and after each game. So pag nag-request si Lucio na, Mama, can you please make me salpicao or any one-pot meal. So having your rice cooker with you, you can actually create something magical in a small area in your hotel. If you have a balcony, swerte kasi hindi aaboy yung kwarto mo. Kung wala man sa banyo ka, magdasal ka na lang na walang housekeeping na pumunta. But it is something that's very reliable. And us as Filipinos, hindi tayo nagiging happy pag walang kanin. And I think, given, mahirap pumili kung ano sa mga appliances ng Kyowa, pinaka gusto kong panigan, ano. But just to be very honest and truthful, for me, yung rice cooker talaga. Kasi it is something that you leave it and pagbalik mo, perfect yung kanin mo, wala ka na problema.
Yeah, thank you, Ms. Judy Ann.
Ano kami mga
Congratulations. Give chance to others. And to the Kyowa team, you made the perfect choice.
Wow!
Thank you. Thank you very much. It's very interesting to see that your answers are always connected to your kids also, no?
Yes.
All about your children. Yes, we have our next question.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Vivian. Good afternoon. So my name is Gretchen Fernanda Fergada from metroedit.com. And so I have a daughter. She's 3 years old, be 34. And as mom, what recipes can you recommend to somebody like me? I'm not a very good chef in the kitchen. So yun, so medyo hindi ako magaling mag-cook for her, but I would really like for her to be healthy, teach her as early as now, like healthy recipes, healthy snacks. So for you, like what would you recommend to new mom like me? And like what products from Kiowa would you use also, so maybe I can use them also?
Well, of course, I've said to the rice cooker, that's a must that we need to have at home kasi, again, rice is life. The air fryer, I would recommend for healthy cooking. It is also something that's pretty much very safe for the kids na i-introduce sa kanila when it comes to cooking. We also have waffle makers. Yung waffle maker, you can make it oatmeal banana pancakes, and sometimes you can make pancakes with some shredded carrot para mukha siyang banana carrot bread. Inserting vegetables in your kids' food while including them in the kitchen while cooking makes for them to appreciate what they're gonna eat kasi katulong ka nilang gumawa, they know what's in their food, and you actually show them that I trust you using this products and items because I know you're gonna be safe, because I trust Kiowa so much that I know in my heart and in my mind, pag iniwan ko yung mga anak ko using the Kiowa items, Kiowa appliances. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use. It is something na wala kang maraming kailangang intindihin para magamit siya. That is, I think, one of the main reasons why Kiowa has been here for the longest time, because it's not difficult to understand.
Thank you. Thank you, Gretchen. No, I believe, yeah, I mean, these products being intuitive is so important. No? Parang if it's complicated to figure out, oh my gosh.
Ang dami na kasing appliances na ang dami nilang gustong patunayan. Hindi mo na naiintindihan kung anong gagawin mo kasi. Eh, dami na 3-in-1, 4-in-1, 25-in-1. Kasi hindi mo na, ayaw mo na magluto, order ka na lang sa labas. So I think, I'd still go back to the basic cooking, basic appliances. Just so you'll be able to appreciate these little details that you make in the kitchen.
The classics are classic for a reason, you know.
Yep.
And cooking with your kids, such a fun activity which makes them feel so fulfilled also. Thank you so much again, Gretchen. We have our next question, please.
Today, at Salve, today sa, ano mas na-enjoy mo at ano yung nahirapan ka pagiging chef, actress, or pagiging producer? Tapos as a chef, ano yung ultimate dream?
Ultimate dream as a chef.
Yeah, thank you.
You first, at Salve, tita ba o ate? Ate, saan ako pinaka nahihirapan when it comes to everything I do in my life? Well, actually, in all honesty, wala namang mahirap. May challenges, yes. Yung hirap, I think it is something na for me, hindi ko iniisip kaya hindi ko siya nararamdaman. But more on, I think of it as a challenge para I could give my best in any part of my work. It may be a celebrity endorser, it could be as a mom or a wife or as a chef. I think it is a challenge. So, because I learn from it in everything that I do, I really make it a point that I learn something from it. Ano pa yung hinahanap ko or ano pa yung dream ko of becoming a chef? Wow. Sige, suntok sa buwan, wala namang masamang pangarap. I really wanted to put up my own little school and teach kids. Someday, probably, probably, because maraming mga, and new moms, mga takot sa kusina, probably, looking back at the comments of Julian's Kitchen, I see new moms, I see college students that they enjoy watching Julian's Kitchen and that they basically napapasaya sila ng channel. Para in my mind, why not create a community that I could actually teach people to not be scared in taking a risk inside the kitchen and actually learn a skill, because cooking is a survival skill. It is something that we have to learn, be it you're a single mom or a single person, maaaring dalaga ka, binata ka, but cooking for yourself is very important. Kailangan hindi na yan, kaya mo magpakulo ng tubig.
Sana, yes. Water. It's a start. It's a start. You have
Yes.
to start somewhere. Yes. But I next level is now you teach others.
Yes.
And that is what you are aiming for.
Yeah, but I know I have to learn pa so much more. I mean, I am not yet a seasoned chef. I know I'm a newbie in this industry, and I am still learning, and I'm being very honest when I say that I have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. I'm just really grateful that people are actually trusting me with their brands and their products, and that alone I'm grateful already.
I'm sure they're happy to be along for the journey with you.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. Our next question. Hello.
Hello, I'm Franz from Maynila. Do you remember the first dish you cooked and how was your relationship with food changed to Alicia?
The first dish I cooked when I was probably 10, 11 years old was sopas. Kasi favorite comfort food ko ang sopas up until now. Pag may sakit ako, or puyat ako from work, or may hangover ako. Sorry, kasi at 47, pag uminom ka na ng dalawang basang wine, kinabukasan na yung hangover. So, hindi ko naman inatago sa inyo. Huwag tayo magpaka-plastic. So, those are the things that I love to cook. So, when I learned how to make sopas, nung nag-culinary na ako, natuto na ako mag-explore. So, there are times that I would put curry powder in my sopas. I would put cheese. I would put clams. So, para naging seafood chowder na siya at some point. Parang I love creating a blank space using sopas as my canvas. Nung naging nag-culinary na ako. Kasi, looking back, it makes me happy when I eat sopas. So, it just makes sense that I can actually play around with sopas. So, you can actually, you know that you can actually put pesto sauce in your sopas.
Wow.
Oo, pwede pala. May hangover o wala. So, yeah, so yun, nag-culinary ako. It just made me appreciate more na, and mas na-realize ko na, yes, I really do love cooking so much kasi looking back with my younger days, when I'm so tired from work, pag burnt out ako from work, and ang daming chismis sa buhay, I go on a news blackout. I see myself in the kitchen cooking from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Wow.
Nasa kusina lang ako. So, doon ako natutong magluto sa rice cooker. Doon ako natutong mag-explore na kung ano-ano. Kasi galit ako. Ay, hindi naman galit, but I don't want to be seen. I just want to be busy. Gusto ko i-busy yung utak ko nang hindi show business ang iniisip ko. So, I would always turn to cooking. And it would always make me happy at the end of the day na parang, okay, I can face them already. Because I've proven to myself na, you know what, pwede ako hindi lang artista someday. I can actually do something else when no one wants to get me anymore. I can still make something out of the living na pinag-aralan ko. So I'm very, very proud of the things that I make. I mean, it may be just comfort food, but these are the things that everything that they will eat from Adobo, it came from my heart. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Kate, hi.
Hi, thanks. Congratulations to Diane. Kate,
Thank you.
The question is, what are your most favorite and least favorite parts of cooking? And may advice ka ba sa mga newbies when it comes to cooking?
My most favorite part in cooking is when you are able to create something out of the box. When it's something that's only in my mind, and it just makes sense kapag nagawa ko na siya because I've just proven myself na pwede yung combination na yun eh. Worst part of cooking, hindi ko pwede, ayoko sabihin maghugas kasi hindi naman ako madalas maghugas ng piglet. Pag nasa ibang bansa, yes, I wash the dishes. Worst part of cooking, least favorite part of cooking, probably would be pag magpapasok ka, or nahihiwa mo yung sarili mo and all of a sudden, you can't use both of your hands anymore kasi nga injured ka. So that normally happens during chef's nights or pag nagmamadali ka. Kasi after that incident, it has this domino effect na bad trip na ako, hindi ko na kaya mag-isip, hindi na ako makafunction properly because I know I can work with both of my hands. But then again, it's also a challenge to deliver, especially when it's service time. walang injured, walang ano dito kahit lumabas ang laman sa daliri mo, kumilos ka, saka na natin yan din sa ospital. So it toughens you up. It toughens you up, you be professional, this is the skill that you wanted, this is the line of job that you wanted to have. So you learn from it, you move on from it, and it is something na nagawa ko ng deadline, yung hindi na ako nasasaktan. Nasasaktan ako, hindi ko lang inaamin.
Thank you, Kate. No, I mean, you have the professional kitchen is a very intense place.
Yes,
no?
yes, definitely. Especially when people are coming in, at dami na nangyayari, someone has to be on top.
Tama. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi Mr. Dai, congrats for being the new face of Kiowa. My name's Al, by the way. I'm from GizGuide.com. We actually cover tech, so this is something new, at least for me, to be in a culinary space. No? But can't help but notice one of the products, the air fryer, the Kiowa Cyclone air fryer has Cyclone technology. I think you already know this. It really is a standout product for me as someone from tech. But I guess ang question ko sa'yo, Mr. Dai, what are your top 3 most recommended ulams or dishes that we can probably cook using the Cyclone air fryer?
Recipes? Ulam
Yes,
dishes?
ulams, dishes,
Using
recipes.
the air fryer?
Yeah, using the air
Okay,
fryer.
very easy. Everybody loves a good chicken recipe. Everybody loves a good fried chicken. But now, as we get older, and we want our kids to be healthier when they enjoy their fried chicken, you can always use the Kiowa air fryer. Marinate your chicken ahead of time, portion it, para you'll always have these items ready. Pag ginusto lang yung bagay sa mama, I want fried chicken, take it out of the refrigerator, coil, bread it, spray it with some cooking spray. That's what I like about the Kiowa air fryer. You just have to baste it with a small amount, very small amount of oil, just to crispify or crisp up. Is even crispify even now?
It is now. And then you're officially putting it in the dictionary, yes.
So just to crisp your item, so you can actually cook a lot here. You can have your hash browns, your favorite lumpiang Shanghai. You can make tortang talong using air fryer. You can actually bake brownies, cookies. So it's not just for savory dishes. You can actually use it for making desserts for a small family of probably 4 to 5. But it's very quick to cook. At saka hindi siya mahirap linisin. So that would be my top ano. Could be a fried chicken recipe na nakalakihan nila. My fried chicken recipe will just be patis, garlic, calamansi with a lot of pepper. Yan ang tried and tested talaga. Sarap, diba? And then air fry it for a couple of, you have to, kailangan mo lang siya, gusto ko pa sabi English, naubusan na ako ng English. Kailangan mo lang siya lagyan ng gatita. O ayan yung hiwa para lang lumabas yung blood ng chicken and maluto yung loob kasi nga hindi siya deep fried. So you want the heat to penetrate inside the protein. So you need to give that pathway doon sa protein. But then again, you can actually cook anything. The Kiowa air fryer actually comes with a booklet. It's instructions on how to use it. You can Google any recipes that you can use air fryer. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And wow, I mean, the explanation of the recipe was like so technical. So parang nalasahan ko yung fried chicken when you described it. Pero the air fryer is something that really kind of like revolutionized the kitchen in recent memory. No? Parang,
Yes.
I love the air fryer. Yes, I think we have one last question. Hi. Hi po.
Congratulations. Ang isa last tatanong ko, and nag-switch ka to cooking. Kailan mo, is it something na you think as a fallback or gusto mo lang i-try? And kailan mo na-realize na you can really do a career out of it?
Actually, that was the plan when I enrolled in culinary. I really wanted to learn something because when I enrolled in a culinary school, I just had Johan. I just got Johan. So in my mind, as a mom at the time, I wanted to prove to my daughter that I was able to finish something kasi it was my decision to not pursue college anymore. So it came across my mind na, okay, I have to prove to my eldest daughter na I have a certificate. Kasi baka mamaya iba to na sa akin, ba't ako na-college ma? Hindi ka naman nag-college. Diba? Medyo teka muna, parang, but wait, there's more, anak. May certificate mami mo. And yes, that was part of the plan. I needed to fuel me up with something apart from acting. Para in any case, in the future, I'm not gonna be in the producer's mind when it comes to movie projects or teleseries. I can still do something and earn something from it. So culinary is, actually si Ryan ang nag-ano sa akin, pagpursige, at pag-term nun ang nag-bring up sa akin. Why are you thinking, kasi I wanted to be a makeup artist. No nga, I wanted to, so I think I can be like a prosthetic artist. Kasi malaki ang ganda doon.
Again, so real.
Yeah, so, yes, I was really looking for a fallback career. If at times na hindi na ako kukunin, diba? I think you have to be prepared for that. Because, truth be told, being an actor is not a lifetime job. Especially when something happens, maraming pwedeng mangyari na hindi mo hawak. And I want to prepare myself for that. So, when Ryan told me, bakit ka pa nag-iisip maghanap ng ibang course? Why not take up culinary? Eh, you love to cook naman. Oo nga naman. Ba't hindi ko siya nag-isip? So, I enrolled in CECS, enjoyed it so much. I took 6 months off from work at that time. Went to school Monday to Sunday, 24/7, just to finish a year's worth of curriculum for pro culinary. And then, I never actually realized that going into culinary would create a different path for me in my career as a celebrity. It wasn't hindi ganun kalaki yung plano ko when I studied culinary. I really wanted to learn professionally. It is not part of the plan, it is in God's plan. Na naidala na lang ako sa mas marami pang ibang pamilya, iba pang produkto, mga bagong brands na nagtiwala sa akin. And I can't be more grateful enough. Mas malawak pa palang purpose ang pagiging culinary student ko before at ang pagiging chef ko ngayon. It's for me to encourage people to learn how to cook, to enjoy the space in their kitchens and be creative in the kitchen and try out different items in their kitchens. Kasi yun yung nagpapahappy sa akin. That's what grounds me. And that's what makes me even more prouder na I just really made the right decision.
And kailan mo na-realize na people are not patronizing you dahil artista ka? Or natanggap mo na talagang gusto nila yung pagkain mo? Something like that.
Alam mo hanggang ngayon, tinatanong ko pa rin. Siyempre, parang hindi ko maaalis talaga sa sarili mo yun. Especially kapag hindi maaalis sa sarili ko na i-questionin yun eh. In every service I make during Chef's Night, andun lagi yung question na, do they really like my food for my food or they really like my food for me? But then again, I would always get naman a very beautiful reaction from them that the travelers were there. Kasi tinrabaho ko siya eh. Kung kampante naman ako sa pagkain ko. Pero syempre, may doubts pa rin ako sa skill ko kasi hindi pa naman ako talaga. Marami pa ako kailangan patunayan. And I welcome all suggestions, all comments, be it good or bad. I think that's part of being a chef. You have to accept constructive criticism and I welcome it. So tanggap ko na maaaring nagustuhan nila yung pagkain dahil nakita nila ako at nandun ako or mas madalas naman nag-leave sila ng maganda review because they really like it.
Naging mahirap ba na maging celebrity siya? Kasi